Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're creating something playful and beautiful, a 4-grid garden collage. Using the Kuretake granulating colours, we'll tape off 4 little windows on the page, fill them with mixed granulating washes, and then layer on top using the collage leaves and fauna we made in a previous video with the MeiLiang watercolours. There is a link at the end of this video so you can see in detail how to do those leaves and fauna. So we started off by grabbing some tape and dividing our page into 4 neat little grids. Think of them as tiny windows. Each one will become its own mini garden scene. So I've used the Kuretake granulating colours, and these paints are magic. They separate, swirl and settle in the most unexpected ways. Don't overthink it, just mix them up right on the page. Let the colours bleed into each other and drop in extra pigment. Add more water, tilt the page. This is pure play. So we've filled each of our 4 grids with a different wash. Maybe one is cool and moody, one is warm and earthy, and one is soft and pastel, and maybe one is bold and dramatic. The granulation will do most of the work for you. So this is a sample of a previous video, and there is a link, as I said earlier, at the end of the video to see how these leaves were done in greater detail. So what I did was tape down 2 cold press watercolour pages, and I grabbed the one and decided that I was going to use the MeiLiang watercolours, and I was just going to paint some leaves. No stress, just add some leaves onto the page, not worrying about the colours that I've used, just layering on top. So I let the first layer dry, then I grabbed some more colour, did a second layer with my finer paintbrush and marked MAKE over the top, and then you can see here there's some fauna here. So I'm just adding all of those details there. And then once I'd let the layers of paint dry, I then grabbed Posca pens to mark MAKE over the top. So it was all about layering, adding some detail and making them as vibrant as possible. So this was all about repetition, repeating shapes, repeating brush movements, repeating colour mixes. It's one of the best ways to build confidence and control. Just building those skills. You've got lots of leaves to do, so it doesn't matter if one goes wrong because you've got so many to choose from. So adding that Posca detail just really zings them off the page and makes them really fun to do. Each leaf has got its own personality, its own little life, and you'll always have your favourite. So my purpose was to make collage fodder with these, but it may just be to practice your skills doing this kind of art. Really, really fun, easy to do, in the moment art with no stress, no worry, just enjoying your time. So I'm just bringing them up to the page there, the finished pieces. And then what we need to do, we need to peel away the tape because we need to release that page, because we are going to cut out all of these lovely shapes because we're going to use them to stick down onto our little garden windows. So peeling away that tape, I've heated it all up nicely, and then I've just grabbed some smaller scissors and I'm going to cut out each and every one of these leaves. I'm not going to use all of them. I'm going to store some of them away because I might want to use them later down the line, so I like to just keep them to one side. And if you're doing a collage, then you've got something there that you can immediately stick down. You don't then need to keep painting different things. You might have then a collection of these little pieces that you can just immediately stick them down onto a painted background. So I'm just going around the leaves. I'm actually leaving like a little white line around there. It just enhances that when you put it down on the page, I think. You might want to cut right up to the edges. That's totally up to you. So I've got the leaves there and you can see my lovely selection. And then these are a little bit more fiddlier, so I tend to cut all the way around, so I've got like a smaller piece to cut round, and then I can just move my scissors and move that piece of paper around to get into those little corners. Sometimes bending the paper backwards and then cutting off that excess there. So we'll come to the fun part in a minute where we stick all of these down. But I just wanted to say thank you so much. If you are a subscriber or a member, there is a members page down below. So if you click that join button, you'll be able to see what's on offer there. You could become a member, and being a member, you could be a supporter or a super supporter. A super supporter gets videos first and gets members only videos. So thank you so much if you subscribe, like, and I love hearing your comments, love hearing what you're up to. Will you try this? What colourways will you use? This is so fun, so I'd really love to hear if you're going to do this art. So I've cut out my lovely pieces there, and I'm just having a quick look. I have some favourites that I've got there, and I'm just going to put them to one side, and I've grabbed that original painting, the Kuretake, the granulating painting that we've done with the grids. I've grabbed my Mod Podge and I'm just sticking down these little collage pieces, just adding that glue onto the back, sticking them down. They're not completely stuck down, I'm just putting them in place. We will be putting a board on top and we will be putting a weight on top, and that will help with the adhesion for all of this. So as you can see here, I am using two different paint sets. So we've got the Kuretake paint sets, we've also got the MeiLiang, and I don't worry about it. I just use what I want. I'm not going to worry that I've got one set of paints and I need to put the exact same colourways down. I'm just going to have fun, just enjoy my time. I wanted to put the granulating down just because I love the way it granulates. I love watching that dry. It's just so interesting. But now somebody might say, well, you're covering that all up. But, you know, I was moving on. I was having some fun and I just wanted to add all of these lovely leaves to my page. So I had sort of mapped this out before I glued everything down. So I got another board. I laid out roughly where I wanted these. I mean, they're not exactly going back into place, but just as a guide. So I've just added that last piece in there. I've got a foam board. I've got some little weights that I've put down. I've waited about half an hour, something along those lines. And then I've peeled everything away and you can see the lovely detail here. Really fun to do. It's like looking out of a window into a lovely garden space. So let me know, will you try this? Do you like collage? I would love to hear from you. Okay, well thanks so much for watching. See you again soon. Bye.